your seatbelts on now. Eh? Okay.
Wait for it to fly. I can see the boat. The beach. Look, the beach.
There's the sun.
There's the sun.
Our room. Ah, the beds. Thank you.
Oh, see? Ito na.
Mandarins, free. Thank you. Have you look at the cheese? Diba you like cheese? Yeah. Alright. Knock knock. Price ng room natin.
Same nga lang tayo. Nakuha mo? Bakit ganyan yan? Hindi man lang nakapang swimming clothes.
Ayo. Oh.
What's that?
Faster.
Parang isang strip.
Hello.
Hi. Beautiful morning.
Video.
Going to the photo shoot. You want to swim?
Yes.
that, Javi?
Small crab.
Oh, there's a small crab pala inside. There.
Kala ko tulog yun.
Tulog yan. Nagigising-gisingan lang. Javi, where's the crab?
Put it there. Goodbye, crab. See you again.
Okay.
Here. He's going.
Anong gagawin natin?
Surprise them out.
What's the gender?
Boy or girl?
Baby girl.
Okay. But put some clothes on you, but you're not allowed to look, okay?
Don't open your eyes, ha?
Open your eyes, you promise,
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So, this is the gender of baby Rosemary. Close lang.
Oh, put it. Okay. Wait.
Lagay mo pa to.
Abby, listen to Tito JP.
See you, baby. Congrats, mom and dad. Love you.
Come on. Ayan, agad natin tayo likod.
Excited ka na ba, ma'am?
Konti lang.
OG, are you excited? Yeah. Boy or girl?
Boy.
So, ganito gagawin natin.
Listen to the instructions. Pipili kayo kung anong tingin nyo.
Okay. Tapos, pag nakapili na lahat, tsaka kayo titingin doon pag sinabi namin okay na. Okay.
Boy or girl? Boy. Okay.
Girl.
Okay, girl. Girl! Yung anak mo boy eh. Girl siya! Boy or girl? Okay, are you excited? Walang titingin. Come, Javi, go! 1, 2, 3, go! It's a boy! It's a boy! Boy siya ulit!
Yung bro.
Look inside.
Boy, pututo!
OG, it's a baby boy.
Why is it sound like that?
You read it. What does it say?
Boy.
Boy pala.
Picture na, picture.
What's that, Javi?
Boy.
Uy.
Okay. What's inside mommy's tummy?
Boy.
Baby boy. You're gonna take care of your baby brother?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
Let me see your face. Happy face. It's a boy pala. Okay.
That's okay na lang. Lazy workers.
Give Mama Ayin's gift daw. Open it. Wow, what's that?
Kasi may dalawa siyang chances eh kung dito mama sa inyo sa side.
Javi, what's the name of your baby brother? What's the name?
Ashton.
Baby Ashtin?
Yeah.
Hi. How was it? You had fun?
Yeah.
You had fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Ah. Yummy mango.
Lumango.
Halo mango. Javi. Maulang umaga. Medyo late kami. Pero inabot.
Kuya, ito na. Ay, ito na yan.
Set na doll, tapos 2 kids lang. Ito ang amilitos na yun.
Nice.
Look, there's water.
Wave to dad, Javi. You wave to dad. Hi.
We should not swim there, the fish.
There are fishes. Oo nga, there are fishes there. Oh.
Ay, ano, dad? Videohan mo ko. Yung ano, yung sa birthday. Sa birthday na.
Baka mag-crystal kayak sila, ma.
Oh, show your teacher. Gagaling ko o mag-hustle?
Pero bumawa ka na nga.
Ang baboy ng nanay mo.
Sa palas. Yung bando.
Yeah, there's no swimming.
Mama ko po.
Pa-braid kayo, ma'am. You're braiding po. Baka gusto nyo naman po. Explain lang kami. Oh, ba din sa... Say hi. Video yan, video. Ay, tato na yan.
Javi.
Wow!
Yan na.
Kaya ko rin naman i-shake yung ganyan eh. Security.
Rakay nyo.
Okay na lang.
Rakay nyo po.
Bakit nyo?
Keyhole tayo. Keyhole.
Ngayon sobrang dami.
Ikaw na bahala.
Ibang ano lang.
Missy, what did you bought? Nana.
Ganda ko dyan.
Ah, wow. Wow. Slide. Deep slide.
Uy! 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 Uy!
Dalawa yun. What are you gonna do?
Slide.
Where?
There.
Here? This is so high, anak eh. Slowly. Yet, not yet. Okay, go. Wow! Ah!
Papo, why did you buy it?
Welcome to my vlog. Oo nga, no? They're inside eh. Bar.
Have a good time, guys.